If there's an adult who's getting into it with a kid, what are the other kids doing? Oh yeah, it's the one time they stop and watch. It's the one time they're quiet because they got to see. And what are they watching? Yeah, they're not watching the kids in trouble. They're watching the adult. Because see, this is where they're learning how to this is how they're learning their stuff. How is this adult going to deal with it? I really want them to see how I manage it. I want them to see how I'm in control. If I send a kid out of my classroom because I absolutely have to, because I cannot teach around them, and on the way out they give me the finger and they scream at me and call me a name, I want the rest of my class to see, guys, we were on page 23. And you guys, I can't tell you enough how this character has just really just risen to the top of this story. What do you think? You know, that's what I want them to see. I want them to see me use the coping skills for accountability, community, responsibility, respect. I want them to see me use those coping skills that we're teaching in our school to solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.